This is the new ZEBLAZE Crystal 2 with selectable themes and selectable watch faces, your basic step count, calories burned, and miles traveled from a pedometer, your heart rate, analyzed, of course, through the PPG sensors in the back, sleep time from last night, messages that are pushed from your phone to your watch, and a whole sports section that includes running with all of its data, walking, hiking, cycling, and a few other interesting sports here as well. After you get through any of those, you can come back and pass that data to the Tethered app on your phone. You have a built-in stopwatch, the ability to find your phone, and an off button to turn the Crystal 2 off and save on its already long life battery. Check it out, called the ZEBLAZE Crystal 2.